Okay, the last example will be planning for the future with an annuity. The deposit P or the principal money that must be made at the end of each compounding period into an annuity that pays an annual interest rate compounded n times per year in order to achieve a value of $8 after 2 years. So we're looking for um the payment that you should make in order to achieve a certain amount of money at the end of a certain period. For example, suppose that once you complete your college education and begin working, you would like to save 20,000 over 5 years to use as a down payment for a home. You anticipate making regular end of month deposits in an annuity that pays 6% compounded monthly. This is the same problem. How much should you deposit each month? Okay, so again, let us chop the given. You would like to have money of 20,000, that's our A, over 5 years to use as a down payment, that's the time, for a home. And then you anticipate making regular end of month deposit in an annuity or annuity that pays 6%, which is your rate, compounded monthly, which is your time. Okay, so using the formula earlier, that's P, this is letter A multiplied by R over N, divide it by 1 plus R over N, raised to the power of NT minus 1. So we have 20,000, the rate is 0.06, multiply it, divide it by 12, over 1 plus the rate is 0.06 all over 12, and then the n is 12, multiply it by 5 minus 1, and that will give us approximately $287. So meaning you are going to make a deposit of $200 each month to be sure that you have enough 20,000 after 5 years as a down payment for your home. Second question is how much of the 20,000 down payment comes from the deposits and how much comes from the interest. So the total deposit that you are going to make is going to be $287. That's going to be 5 years. In 1 year, 12 payments, so 12 times 5, and that's going to be 17,220. So the interest is 20,000 minus 17,220, and that's going to be 2,720. The interest made of your money was 2,720, and you are going to make a regular payment of 287 per month for the next 5 years in order for you to have 20,000 money after 5 years. Next, after that, answer the classwork in your CAC. That's 8.5 annuity.